Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get ready for Style Showdown. So if you have custom makeup, you'll need to save a lot of the makeup before actually playing. This is very crucial for Style Showdown because it is only 3 minutes rather than the normal Dress to Impress game is 6 minutes. So I still have time to do custom makeup and whatnot. But you'll need like 1 or 2 natural makeup, one like glam makeup here, and one maybe like 1 or 2 like not human makeup. So just save your makeup here. This is the natural that I have, the glam. I have all of these others too. Do that if you do have custom makeup. Then basically prepare yourself. I think that the fast walk is important even in the like normal games. I think it's very useful if you have fast walk like the game pass. And also I think that's pretty much it, like the things you need to prepare before. So I usually do it in this order. I do skin color first, I think, and then I do makeup. And then sometimes I go to the outfits first and then I go to the like hair, or you can do hair first and then outfit because it's like in the same area. So like that area will still be the same like anyways. So I usually go here and then to the makeup, to the hair chair. I don't really go to nails that much. And then I just go and select outfits. I know this is free play, but this area is still like the same anyways. What in the okay. Anyways, that is it. That's all you basically need to prepare, honestly, for Style Showdown. Just try your best and have fun. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.